Welcome to our YouTube video on how to share your account QR code in Telegram. The QR code feature in Telegram allows you to easily share your account information with others. In this full guide, we'll show you the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Locate the app icon and tap on it to open. Step 2. Look for the 3 lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on these lines to access the main menu. Step 3. From the main menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. At the top right corner, you'll see 3 icons. Tap on the QR code icon. Step 5. Choose your preferred QR code theme from the available options. Select the one that suits your style. Step 6. To share your QR code, tap on the Share QR Code button. This will open up sharing options. Step 7. Select where you want to share your QR code. You can choose from various platforms like other messaging apps, social media, or directly with your contacts. Sharing your account QR code in Telegram is a convenient way to exchange contact information. Make sure to choose a secure and trusted platform for sharing. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to share your account QR code in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials.